Good morning, children. In the previous lesson, we talked about location of Democratic Republic of Congo. In this lesson, we'll discuss about climatic conditions in Democratic Republic of Congo. The sun shines directly over the equator for most of the year. The weather conditions in Democratic Republic of Congo remain hot and humid throughout the year. It is a region of high temperature. The temperature is high even during the winter season. Mornings are bearable, but by noon, the heat is unbearable. In this region, by afternoon, the air is always full of moisture. After a cloud burst, there is a heavy rainfall for a short period of time, almost every day. This type of rainfall is typical of the tropics. It is caused by the convectional currents that start due to the overheating of the land. It is known as convectional rainfall or tropical rainfall. Due to the rain in the afternoon, the evenings become pleasant and the nights are cool. The land of dense forest or equatorial forest or tropical rainforest lies between the Tropic of Cancer and the Tropic of Capricorn. We found equatorial forest in the equatorial region. The Democratic Republic of Congo has one of the world's largest and thickest tropical or equatorial rainforest. These forests cover the areas on both the sides of the equator. The hot and wet climate of this country is most suitable for the growth of these natural forests. These forests are also called the evergreen forests because there is a large variety of trees and they do not shed their leaves at the same time. The trees in this area grow very tall and form a canopy, preventing the sunlight from reaching the ground. The forest in the equatorial region receive more than 200 centimeters of rainfall in a year. It has been observed that the equatorial forests get more rainfall in a day than the desert areas receive in a whole year. This type of climate reminds us of the hot and wet climate of Kerala in India. The climatic conditions in Democratic Republic of Congo are very similar to the climatic conditions in Kerala. The equatorial forests cover about half of the area of the country and contain many kinds of trees. Mahogany, ebony, redwood, rosewood, rubber and bamboo are the trees which are commonly found here. So let's recall what we have learned today. The equatorial regions have high temperature. The weather is hot and humid for the whole year. In the areas near the tropics, there is a heavy rainfall every day. The tropical rainfall is caused after a cloud burst for a short period of time almost every day. The tropical rainfall is also called the convectional rainfall. The equatorial forests receive more than 200 centimeters of rainfall in a year.